Vaping THC is one of the fastest ways to feel the effects of THC. But are you doing it the right way? Or worse, are you unknowingly putting your health at risk and wasting your money? Most people make simple mistakes that not only reduce the benefits of THC, but also compromise their safety and their wallet. Hi, I'm Shireen Kassam from mypaincenter.com, and today we're sharing tips for vaping THC the right way. So whether you're new to vaping or a seasoned user, these tips will help you maximize the benefits, stay safe, and avoid wasting your money. And stick around because the last tip is going to completely change the way you vape. THC is one of the most popular cannabinoids for its relaxing and euphoric effects. But vaping it properly requires more than just hitting your device. That's why I'm going to share with you top 5 tips today. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Use the right vape device. The first step to vaping THC safely is choosing the right device. Whether it's a disposable vape, cartridge, or concentrate, your device needs to heat the product evenly. Incompatible devices can lead to poor vapor production and even burning the THC, wasting your THC. If you're new to vaping, I highly recommend a disposable like this. This way, you don't need to mess with temperature settings, which gets us to tip number 2. If you're using a battery, start with a low temperature. Temperature control is critical for THC. High temperatures can destroy the cannabinoids and the terpenes, reducing the effects and creating a harsh vapor. So if you're looking to create more of a vapor, then yes, you're gonna want a high setting. But if you wanna get the best maximum benefits, start with a lower setting to preserve the full spectrum of compounds and ensure a smoother inhale. Tip number 3. Take slow, controlled puffs. To get the most out of your Delta 9, avoid taking quick or deep hits. Don't do any of these or is that what happened? You're gonna feel that tickle in your throat and you're gonna keep coughing. Take slow, controlled puffs and hold the vapor in your lungs for just a few seconds before exhaling. This gives your body more time to absorb the THC, making each puff count. Tip number 4, monitor your dosage. This is a big one, dosage control. THC hits fast when vaped, which makes it easy to overdo it. Start with just 1 or 2 puffs and wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to gauge the effects before taking more. Overdoing it can lead to unwanted side effects like anxiety or paranoia. Lastly, the most important tip to have a great vaping experience is choose high-quality lab-tested products. Always use high-quality THC products from reputable brands. Look for third-party lab testing to ensure the vape is free from harmful additives and fillers, and that it has the accurate THC levels. And also so you know what cannabinoids are in the vape that you're buying, okay? Cheap, unverified products can contain contaminants that can harm your health and ruin your entire experience. For example, black market THC carts have been found to contain pesticides and fungus, both which can cause health problems in the short term and in the long term. I hope these tips help you get the most out of vaping THC while staying safe. If you're looking for high quality THC vapes, batteries, or even carts, disposables, check us out at mypaincenter.com. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, or comment on this video with your vaping advice or your experience using THC vapes. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm Shireen Kassam.